Hey guys, how we doing? Happy Sunday everyone. So let's say we like the video. Timmy liked. Okay. Now the today's which is still today 25th or so. I'm going to be posting all the videos and I'm uploading the first set of the video, and when I'm done, let me check if it's uploaded so I can upload it to the group right here. Then I'm going to upload it to the group. Then I'm not sure it's done uploading. So it's uploading, right? So when it's done uploading, I'm going to upload. You can come watch this video. If you've not come across my video before, you can go back to watch those videos which I uploaded. So right here, this one I'm going to talk about Airdrop. But if I talk about Airdrop, I want to go to Hamster Kombat because I believe that's so I'm going to basically skip. So let's just go to Hamster Kombat. Then now for Hamster Kombat, I'm going to click on just once, also open it and come here until it shows start. So I'm going to wait for it to say start, and I'm going to click on start right here. Now make sure you rush Hamster Kombat. It's listing in 11 days from now. It's listing in 11 days from now. So if you're fast, you are diligent, you can get something from this. You can get something from this. You can get coin from it. I'm already mining this. I'm not going to mine on this phone, so I'm not called a shit. So I'm just going to show you what to do right here. Why did it load off? I'm going to click on play again, start. So then I'm going to wait for it to load up, and Hamster Kombat is loading. So you want to wait for it to load up. Now save the date for Hamster Kombat listing 26th of September. This coin is listing 26th of September, and that's why I'm uploading it. So if you have not gotten into it, you should make sure you do that to get into it, and make sure, and I'll tell you things that are important right here. You can see, you click on next, and play. Then you will save a gift 100. Click here. 100 is very small. Whoa, they made this thing very difficult. So you want to, now this is your first tax here. Then you're going to claim. I want to also claim this. Then you claim this daily reward and other stuff. Then you close right here, and you're having 100 coin and stuff like that. So now you're already in platinum 4. How is that possible? Okay, platinum. Okay, 4 to 11, level 4, level platinum. Now what you want to do here, now I'm going to first of all tap everything right here. So I'm just going to tap. Now what you want to do here once you are here is very simple. Now the first thing you want to do right here, I'll be very straightforward with you, is come over to your boost, which is down here. Come over to boost. When you come over to boost, this is what you want to do. You can increase your multiple taps so that you can tap faster. Increase it. You come over to boost again. Energy limit, increase that also. Come over to boost, just increase. You can spend on the money to increase, but I'm not going to tell you to spend on your money. Then you come over to mine. This is very important. Then on mine, you want to make sure you are saving profit per hour. Just keep on buying cards. Just buy cards. When I mean buy cards, buy. Just start buying. Just be buying cards, like as many cards you can your money can afford. Just start buying. That's exactly what you want. So you just want to keep on buying and buying the cards to increase your profit per hour. So I don't know why this is loading right now, maybe because of network issue and other stuff like that. So marketing is also loading. I'm just waiting for it to finish its loading process and other stuff like that. So requesting process, why is it taking this much time? I'm going to go to the next one. IT team, I'm going to buy also. I'm going to go to the next one, and just keep on buying as many as you can buy with your money. And after you are done with that, you want to go to airdrops. Now all these airdrops, I'm going to talk about them one by one in different videos. This is the points. What gives you points? Your profit per hour, which is called passive income, or your end tax. Make sure you finish your tax. I'll take you to tax. You invite your friends, your achievements, if you have Telegram subscription, and if you have keys. And okay, I haven't forgot something. On each of the videos, I'm supposed to post my own link right below in case you are watching on YouTube and you want to get it. So you also want to get key, then you come to mine to get your key. Okay, sorry, playground. On playground here, you can download all this game. Make sure you accumulate a lot of key. Or you come to mini games, which is on top, games and mini games. Then you play this puzzle. I was able to play this puzzle all by myself, and I got the key for today. Let me try if I can play this game right here. So I'm going to just try the way I played it in I was in church when I played this game, and I was able to get my coin out ASAP. So basically going to just try if I can see. I don't know what I did in church. I don't know what I did. I'll be very sincere. I just remember I was moving these things and I luckily got it. So I'm going to move this, also move this, and I'm going to move this down. So I cannot remember what the exact thing I did to get this coin, but I knew I was able to do that in church. So I'm going to move this back. Then I'm going to call this come this way, go up, come this way, go down. And I'm going to like come this way, come this way. Come on, I was able to do this in church. I was in church and I did. I guess I failed this one, so I'm just going to wait for 5 minutes again before you're able to play it and stuff like that. So now, after when you are claiming, you want to claim your daily siphon code. Now, how do you get all this daily siphon? Now, if you check on top, you will see something right here, which is your daily reward. I've claimed that on your present, your daily clipper code, your combo. So those things are very you can get them from Twitter. When you go to let me show you how to get the daily siphon right now. It's let me first of all show you about mine. I've told you about mine. You just come here and start buying cards, as many cards your money can buy. Come to background. When you click on this, it will take you to, when you click play, to take you to Play Store to download their games and start playing. Then for your friends, you invite your friends. Then you can earn here by watching videos and other stuff. When you watch video, click on watch video first of all. You have to take it to YouTube, then you go back, and after you're finished watching a video, I'm not doing this task, this is not my main account, so I'm not going to spend much time here. Then I'm going to, after you're done, you complete all your tasks here, then you come to Airdrop, click on withdraw, then you connect your one of the wallets here, which of the wallets you want to use. So you want to make sure you do one of this one right here, so just pick any of them. I use the on-chain Airdrop on chain, this one right here, which is using the ton, so that was the one I used. So that's it for this video, guys, which is just telling you how to mine. If there's any question, anything you want, I don't want the videos then to be too long and stuff like that, so you don't get